Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a video, so today, instead of actually cutting things out and putting little shorts up, I'm going to actually do a video making some work holders and I'll show you how I do them, and then I'll show you the CNC cut paths and everything else I set up, and we'll go from there. So for starters, we got a new project going here. We need to do some sketching. This is using Fusion360, so if anybody wants the files for these, let me know, and I'll figure out a way to share them to everybody. So for starters, I'm going to do a circle, and everything on here is in millimeters. Currently, this way I got it set, just for it's easier for me. But I end up switching everything to inches when I'm doing certain things. So back to the project. The circle, we're going to start out, we're going to make a 3-inch circle here. Hit OK. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to measure off of this. Nope. Cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. I'm not thinking through here straight. I need to take a line off of. Sorry, my dog's going a little crazy. Take a line off of here. I clicked the wrong button, worrying about the dogs. Line off of here. Take it at 13.8 degree angle, and we're going to make it 2.5 inches. No, sorry about that. Make 4 inches. We're going to take another circle. Basically just want a little handle down here, and that's what this circle is going to be for. I want to run right in the middle of that. Another line here. I'm going to come directly off that arrow and go straight over to here. And put that there. We're all be done with that. Finish that sketch. Go ahead and extrude these. I'm going to select all of them. And we'll make this out of 1/2 inch board when I do it, or 1/2 inch aluminum, I'm not sure at the moment, but it'll be 1/2 inch. So we're going to 0.5 inches. Extrude that to a new body. We're going to have to go back to sketch. We're going to select the solid we just made. Grab circle again. I'm going to put it right in here. And basically this is going to be just a bolt hole to be able to bolt into our wasteboard. So it's going to need to be 1/4 inch. I'm going to 0.25. That's going to be our bolt hole there. Then we're directly over top of that. We're going to do one at 0.5 just to be able to recess the head of the bolt into here. I know that's overkill for the 0.25 or 0.5, but it'll allow plenty of room no matter what bolts we use to hold these down. So now we're going to take this one. We're going to select cut. Turn your piece on its side, you can see the arrow here. And see this? We already know it's a half inch thick, so we're going to go negative 0.5 inches. That'll take us all the way through. Pretty sure my sketch just got turned off. So now we're going to take the outer circle we just did, extrude again, and we're going to take that down 1/4 of an inch. So negative 0.25. Oops. See the problem. Just can't get to it. Negative 0.25. And that will allow us to have our recessed area for our bolt hole to go in, or our bolt head to go in. So now with, well, let me pull up a waste board here and show it to you. This might take us, there you go. So there's our waste board, and show you the drawing for the waste board. This isn't the waste board I'm currently using. This is the one I'm getting ready to set up here shortly. I'll probably do a video showing that being cut, although all it is a bunch of drill holes. Let that load for a second. So the waste board, they're set, the center to center is set up just short of 1 inch. And it's 4 foot by 2 foot is the entire board, with space on the outside edges because CNC won't reach to them anyway. Now, I do have enough space on my CNC where it could go deeper this way. I don't need to. Not for things I usually cut out. So that's the waste board that I'm be using these holders with. There will be threaded inserts in each one of these. Basically, what this allows to do is hold the workpiece from the side just by turning the clamp. So from that point, we're going to go to manufacture. Set up our piece here. Actually, I'm going to cancel that for a second. Let me just square it up. Go back to design. And we're just going to rotate this like so. Move it down here. And hit OK. Sketches we can get rid of. Don't need them. Select the whole thing again. Make a copy. Click OK. Do it again. Make a copy. And copy this one. We should be able to make 8 of these with, well, technically make a lot more than 8, but I'm only going to do 8 of them. Put that back where it needs to be at. Copy. Move copy. Okay. Now we'll select all 4 of these. And we'll copy them again and just move them right over here to the side. Now we'll go to manufacturing. We're going to manufacture all 8 of these out of one board. Realistically, we shouldn't need 8 of these size holders, but I didn't want a sled machine. I'm going to go to milling, model orientation, stock box point. We're going to select our point right over here. Select our models. Go to our stock. The fixed box size. Our width, we're going to go with, pretty sure I got a piece out there, it's 24 by 24. Depth, we're going to go 24 inches. And height, we're going to set that 0.5. And post process, should be good on that. So the setup's complete. We're going to start with our 2-dimensional bore. We're going to select our tool here. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch end mill to do this part of it. You could use a drill bit, you could use all kinds of things to do it. So we're going to go flat end mill, 1/4-inch diameter. And no coolant because I don't have coolant capabilities. Circular face selection. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick here. When you're doing this and setting it up, if you click this select same diameter, it's going to go through all of these and hit every one of those and add to this. Now your height. We'll go with stock bottom for the bottom height. Click OK. That shows our 1/4-inch holes being drilled. Now for our reset heads. We'll basically do the same thing here. And if you notice, it actually saves the tool we're using. So we're going to go here. You can select this by faces or range. I just go faces, because then we can scroll into here. Select that face and do the same thing again. Now that'll take care of our nope. What did I just do? Hit the same diameter faces again, and we're going to go with the whole bottom. Hit OK. Scroll out, and then you can see our recesses are there for our heads. Then the only thing left is our two-dimensional contour, which is right there. So same bit. We're going to go with this. Select the bottom one. If you select the top one, it's just going to color the top. Nope. See what I just did right there? So I'm going to go to 3. Remove that. So that's all 8 of them. We're going to put tabs in here. How many tabs per contour? The number of tabs. We'll go 3 tabs per contour, so you see where I put tabs in here. So that won't cut all the way through those locations. It'll just leave it. And boom. So there's our pieces cut out. And that's what they would look like. Now for your setup, you're going to go to post-process here. Select your Carbide 3D if you're using the shapeoko XXL. And post. No. This is. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is a new 3-inch work orders. And we'll go post. So basically the way those work, you screw them into your wasteboard, you put your bolt in here on your wasteboard, and then you can turn these into the piece you're working on, and it'll tighten up as you turn them. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.